If you've been paying attention, you will know that Elementor released their Hello Biz theme, and this gave you widgets that you could use with a free version of Elementor, because some stuff like the form, etc., you had to go to Elementor Pro. But what if you've already got the Hello theme, but you wanted access to the widgets they give you in Hello Biz? So here are the 5 widgets you got with Hello Biz: Zigzag Hero, CTA Flex Hero, and Form Light. The Form Light one and the Zigzag are the ones I can see a lot of people using. But what if you've got the Hello theme, not Hello Biz, and you're using Elementor Free and you're not getting Elementor Pro, but you wanted to have these? Well, now there's a free plugin by the Elementor team called Hello Plus that will give you access to these. Let me show you. The first thing I'm going to do is go and activate Hello, so we no longer have Hello Biz activated. Then I'm going to go over to plugins and add new plugin. And then I'll type Hello Plus for brand new plugin, and there it is. It's pretty brand new at the moment. Go and install and activate that. And now when I go back over to my page, the widgets are there for me to use. So if you've already got Hello and you're using Elementor Free, but you wanted those other widgets, but you didn't want to jump to Hello Biz because you've maybe built out your website and you were a bit, worried about switching to a different theme, the Hello Plus plugin will now give you those widgets. Of course, I'm always going to recommend, and you really should listen to this, is go and get Elementor Pro, because it's great having them, but don't you want to have all of the other plugins? There they are. Don't you want to have all the other juicy stuff as well? But hey, if you don't want all of that, Hello Plus with your Hello theme, you can now do. I'm Imran from Web Squadron. See you soon.